Hi everyone, these are the dishes you watch it and cook the most. Today we are counting down the top 6 Korean dishes you loved in 2025. Ready to see which one is number 1? Let's get started. Number 6 is Tteokbokki, one of the most iconic Korean street foods. Chewy rice cakes in a sweet and spicy sauce, a flavor you can't forget once you try. Many viewers outside Korea even made the rice cakes from scratch, which made this dish extra special this year. What could it be next? Let's move to number 5. Number 5 is vegetable pancakes. As long as you have the batter ready, you can whip them up so quickly, perfect for beginners. Crispy, savory, and comforting to enjoy at home. Alright, what's next? Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is Korean side dishes, Banchan. In Korean homes, Banchan is a must, the cozy flavors that make every meal feel like a home. There are always several dishes on the table, and you simply pick what you like and enjoy it with your rice. We are getting closer. Let's see number 3. Number 3 is rice paper cake fusion. Wrapping, rolling, pan frying, so much fun to make. With Korean style flavors added, many of you around the world try these at home because they are easy and delicious. These recipes received a lot of love this year. Alright, what's next? Number 2 is coming up. Number 2 is cucumber water kimchi. A refreshing, non-spicy kimchi that even beginners can enjoy. Kimchi is getting popular worldwide. You can even find it places like Whole Foods and Costco. Clean and mild yet healthy and fermented. That's why so many loved it this year. Now, who's ready for number 1? And the number 1 most loved recipe of 2025 is ramen. The dish we'll all reach for on busy, on cozy days, simple, comforting, and always tasty. So many of you made it at home and shared your comments. And that's why ramen became the most loved dish this year. And of course, dishes like bibimbap, kimbap, and Korean chicken recipes also continue to receive so much love from you all. How did you like the top 6 Korean foods of 2025? Thank you so much for being here with me. Comment below which one was your favorite. All recipe links are in the description. See you in the next video.